please board the aircraft now through boarding gate 131. Cebu Pacific Flight 5J997 bound for General Santos is now boarding through boarding gate 133B. Requesting all General Santos bound guests on Flight 5J997 to please board the aircraft now through boarding gate 133B.
Final copy boarding for the last Tacloban bound passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 5J649. This is your final call for the aircraft through gate 120. Copy boarding for the last delayed bound passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 5J447. This is your final call for the aircraft through gate 138. Cebu Pacific Flight 5J404 bound for Davao is now boarding through gate 131. Requesting all outbound passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 5J404, please boarding aircraft through gate 131 all over, please.
Once again, last and final call for boarding. Last and final call for boarding for the last departing Tacloban bound guests on Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J649. Last and final call for Miss Nove May Akala, Mr. Darko Keruben,